In this lesson, I will introduce the next part of the ThreadPoolExecutor class. We will go deeper into its internals. This is the core concept. Looking at this architecture diagram, when a task is submitted, the system checks the current thread count and the core pool size. What is core pool size and max pool size? We already saw this in previous examples. These parameters must be configured. Here are the core pool size and max pool size parameters. If the current thread count is less than the core pool size, then a new thread is created and executed immediately. Otherwise, it checks whether the queue is full or not. If the queue is not full, the task is added to the queue. The task stays in the queue and waits. After that, when a task is waiting, any idle worker thread will take the task from the queue and execute it. Then the task is executed. If the queue is already full, and the answer is no, then it checks again whether the thread count is less than the max pool size. If yes, a new thread is created and the task is executed immediately. Otherwise, the task is rejected. This diagram on the right describes the same logic in text form. The diagram is easier to understand. Next. Now let's look at the core pool size and max pool size values. Core pool size is 5. Even when they are idle, there are still 5 threads. The total number of threads never exceeds 10. This value is 60 seconds. The unit here is seconds. Threads from number 6 to number 10. If they are idle and have no work, will be terminated after 60 seconds. This is the queue. It has a capacity of 100 elements. Tasks 1 to 5 are executed immediately. Because there are 5 core threads, tasks 6 to 105 are added to the queue, up to 100 tasks. Then tasks 106 to 110 will trigger creation of threads 6 to 10. That is threads 6 through 10. Tasks from 111 onward will be rejected immediately. Now this is keep alive time. Keep alive time means that core threads are always alive. Threads 3, 4, and 5, if they are idle, will be kept for 60 seconds, then terminated. Here, you can see this in the comments. Threads 1 and 2 never terminate. These are core threads. Thread number 2 is a core thread. Threads 3 to 5 will terminate after 60 seconds, if idle, without doing any work. If we enable this option, allow core thread timeout set to true, then all threads terminate, all of them. Even core threads. Core threads are also terminated. Now about queue strategies. What is a queue? A queue holds tasks while waiting to be executed. So, there are different queue implementations. Each affects thread creation and rejection behavior. They are different. We will review these when needed. Here, when needed, we can come back and review. After practicing, we revisit these concepts. If we forget, we just review again. For example, we create a bounded queue. For example, capacity 100. Thank you. See you in the next lesson.